Good morning, everyone. So we have had some questions in regards to our 3D builder that is on our website. So I just wanted to do a brief tutorial on that. If you go to our website, www.shedskc.com, and you just go to buildings, you can use it for any of our buildings. Today we're just going to look at the utility building. So you'd click on utility. And then you would go down here and it just says check out our 3D builder. And then once this loads, a couple things that I will point out is if you're doing it on your phone, there's a button here that says view in your space. If you click on that, you can put a picture of point your phone wherever you would like to put the building in your yard, or, next to your house, and it will put the building there so that you can see it. Up here is your pricing and the rent to own payment amount if you do choose the rent to own program. This will change with any options that you change. So if you add windows, add doors, upgrade paint colors or anything like that, this will change every time that you change something. So first you'll pick your style, any of the styles that we sell here. We can do utility. It'll have the different style of utility buildings that we have. You can pick that. Siding options, sidewall height, anything, shingles, metal roof. There's no price difference between those two. Then you'll pick your size. It goes all the way from 8 by 12 up to 16 by 50. So you can pick whichever size you would like. Then if you want to add windows, add doors, the transom up on the top on the roof, transom windows, or if you want to put a roll-up door in. So if you're too close to the edge or something, the door, say you want to put another door, say on the front where it has a door and it won't fit, it won't allow you to put it. So anything that you change, say I can show you, for instance, if we put a window here, the price went up $100. If you want to change the type of window, you just click on the little edit pencil, and you can do different options, shutters, flower box, if you want more than one window together, and then the different styles of windows we have. You can also clone the window or remove the window. So lots of options there. Then you can pick your colors. What color do you want the metal roof, and what color do you want the siding? And then, paint or urethane. These are our standard colors. So the urethane is much less selection, but there is no price difference between the standard paint or urethane colors. We also do a custom color where we can match your house with the Sherwin-Williams paint code. It is $50 per color, but you would select the custom color option. Same thing with the trim, all the standard colors. And then we do have the custom color for the trim also. So, and then interior, if you want a workbench or shelves or the electrical package or pegboard, you can add all of these. And you just kind of pick which wall you want it on and it'll put that in there. And for flooring, whether you want the 5/8, the 3/4, if you want your floor joists, 12-inch on center versus 16, or spray foam insulation on the floor, or the Astro insulation. At the bottom, you'll have your estimate, and it will itemize everything that you've added, or, I mean, this is just our standard, so I didn't do any options, but it will tell you all the prices of anything you added, all of your rent to own payments. I will tell you the sales tax is a little bit low. If you are in Kansas, we do go by Kansas sales tax. If you're in Missouri, in the Smithville area or Kansas City surrounding areas, we do use our 8.975. So when you're done and you have everything the way you want it, you can click submit for quote. You'll put in your information and click submit, and it will send it over to us, and we will give you a call. Just see if you have any questions or whenever you are ready to place the order. So, I will be doing more tutorials for the builder for the garages and carports, the metal buildings. And then if you guys have any questions, as always, just reach out to us, 106 US Highway 169 in Smithville, 816-532-9600. Have a great day.